Nigerian music producer Don Jazzy, whose real name is Michael Collins Ajere, has become the talk of the internet after new videos of him and a mystery woman went viral. Fans are speculating about their relationship as the two were seen having fun together in several online clips. Don Jazzy was seen in different videos with a young lady, rumored to be from Uganda. The two participated in social media challenges, making funny content that has caught the attention of many fans. Some people believe they have known each other for a while, but their relationship is now getting noticed. Many people have shared their thoughts about the videos on social media. Some fans were excited, while others wondered why Don Jazzy was not dating a Nigerian woman. In a recent interview, Don Jazzy spoke about his previous relationship with a woman in the United States. He revealed that they had not spoken for 7 to 6 months, and the communication gap slowly grew until they lost touch. He also mentioned his preference for a woman who looks like Rihanna. While Don Jazzy has not confirmed nor denied any relationship, the internet is buzzing with excitement. Many are waiting to see what happened next. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.